Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody took a screenshot of the video I made today, and they wanted to know how the person made that flower, because they can't duplicate it. They can't put the solid inside, and if you look here, your weld isn't working. You know what, while we're here, I'm going to try going to shaping and see weld won't even work. So I've already figured out the problem. You have to take these 7 items and go up to object and break them apart. What it is, and I'm pretty proud of the person, they're using a clone to draw this. 1, it's not symmetrical, and 2, you can kind of change, your flower shape as you need and not make it symmetrical, even though this is nice. And I think they were trying to copy that. So let's say you're happy with that. All you have to do is go up to and break those apart, because they're, for some reason, they won't allow, and then put that roughly in the center and weld it. But there's another way if that ever happens again. Let's back up here where these are still together, and let's make sure it won't weld. I do this a lot. See, it won't weld. So what you want the shape, and I do this a lot. Just take a rectangle, take your smart fill tool and fill in that shape. Move that shape out of the way, and then left click, and if you're gonna cut it, then you right click in red. Make sure it's a hairline, so you turn it to a hairline. But go up to object and break the curve apart, and then you can get rid of that part, and you have that flower. And then just cut out a circle and put it on top, or leave it like that. But I kind of like it because it's not perfect. Anyway, hope that answered their question. Thank you for watching.